I'm a bit strapped right at the moment. But Belinda's good for it. I'm sure she'll pay you when she receives my letter. Please, I beseech you.
Knock on the door and let's see who answers.
What do you want?
Oh, we've got a letter. We need £1 for the postage.
Oh, well, why didn't you just say so? Come on in.
That must be Belinda.
Oh, this is wonderful. Here's something for your trouble. Oh, Monty, my little dove.
I guess some people's wishes do come true. We did it. We can buy the music box now.
Belinda.
Come on,
What are you
let's
doing?
go buy that music
Get back
box.
in the house.
You'll find Belinda at her
Can't wait to
mother's
see what we
house.
can do.
I'm going to marry the man I love.
What?
Oh, Monty, I love you.
No, you don't. He's poor.
Oh, Mother, you're such a shrew. That...
Oh, everything seems wonderful when you're in
Oh,
love.
Mother, you're such a shrew. That's why Father left you.
Hello, children.
Hello. We've